Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to remove link from Instagram bio. In order to remove a link from Instagram bio, it's pretty simple. For that, first of all, update your Instagram application and then log into your Instagram account. Once logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, to remove a link, go to your profile, and as you can see, this is the particular link that I wish to remove it. In order to remove it, tap on edit profile button. After that, it's going to take you to the profile page where you can just make changes with your name, username, your bio and all that. So to remove a link, go ahead and tap on the option that says link. As you can see, this is the particular link that is right over here. So to remove it, just tap on it and click on remove link button. After that, the link will be removed. So go ahead and tap on the tick icon located in the top right hand side corner, and that's basically how you can remove link from Instagram bio. So in this way you can remove link from Instagram bio. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.